Please be introduced to Natallia on stage, senior scientist at the TNO Host Center. And Natallia will talk about advancing medical technology, printed electronics, and hybrid integration pave the way for next generation medical devices. Natalia, the stage is yours. Everything looks perfect.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So let's go. So indeed, my name is Natallia Uzunbajakava. I have PhD in physics, applied physics, and I'm working at Holst Center. My previous affiliations include Philips and SML, and I'm really happy to share with you today how our scientists and engineers using printed electronics and hybrid integration in order to create next generation medical devices. A lot of you know Holst Center very well. For those who do not, let me tell you that we are independent, non-profit R&D institute. We are founded by Dutch TNO and Belgian IMEC, and Holst Center is about 260 scientists and engineers. We are located at high-tech campus in the area of Brainport, and we are specialized in flexible hybrid electronics, wireless electronics. And really, in a nutshell, the value of Holst Center is in creating proof of a concept devices, where we start from design, we do development of flexible electronic devices, we have in-house prototyping manufacturing facilities, and we also validate those devices on a small cohorts of human subjects. We are R&D institute, so we are not industry. We do not bring devices on the market, just like VTT does not bring devices on the market. But what we do once the prototype is ready, we do help our industrial partners to scale up that manufacturing, because we as a Holst Center, we have a very wide network of industry. And basically, in a nutshell, Holst Center is connecting knowledge centers such as universities and other institutes with different players in industry. A lot of our partners come from material development. A lot of them, they come from equipment manufacturing area, components, and also medical device manufacturers. We do have also network with end users such as different hospitals and clinics. Now let's go back to the topic of this talk, which is actually medical devices. And if you look currently at the situation around the health and the healthcare, that you clearly understand that the health is unsustainable. Chronic diseases is really invisible epidemic, and they are responsible for over than 70% of annual death globally. And not only that, unfortunately, across the globe, we people, we spend 50% of our lives, half of their lives, in less than good health. Well, our life expectancy more than doubled. So something is really not okay with the current situation. Obviously, the healthcare system is under pressure, costs are increasing, resources are depleting. So this is really a call for action. And I just added this slide unintentionally, but urgently, there was a release, immediate release by FDA, Food and Drug Administration, where they launched a new initiative, Healthcare at Home initiative. And that one is really to support moving healthcare needs from the hospital to home setting. And FDA is really encouraging to shift the care model from systems to people, and thereby really address the most urgent and critical needs, provide personalized care, and tackle those chronic conditions we talked about on the slide before. So that's really right on spot, release of 2 days fresh. So we at the Holst Center, we do believe, we have a vision that flexible electronics and hybrid integration can impact health by providing quantitative data and actionable feedback. And indeed, there are plurality of sensors that can be integrated in wearable, flexible devices for the healthcare purpose. So at the Holst Center, nearly since its creation, medical devices have been focus of attention. Our engineers and scientists, we've been working on wearable devices for ECG, for SpO2 measurements, for body temperature, and some of those devices, prototypes, that were further developed and